How is this tiny tech behind answering one of the biggest questions of the cosmos? Let us find out in this episode of SimplyPHY.
Our lab is CMB Distortions Lab, and we focus on different epochs in the cosmic history.
The objective of PRATUSH is to detect the signal from the cosmic dawn,
which has never ever been detected by anybody in the world right now.
Because of the way PRATUSH is designed to operate, it will make scientific measurements of the radio sky when it is on the far side of the moon, both in the shadow of the Earth and the Sun. It alleviates all the challenges faced by ground-based experiments.
But self-generated RFI from the onboard systems is a major issue. Assembling the digital receiver inside an RF shielded enclosure is imperative.
PRATUSH will comprise primarily of three parts. The first being an antenna, second being an analog receiver which does a lot of the calibration, and third being the digital receiver. We need something that has the resources to be able to perform as a controller of the experiment.
We require something like generation of control signals for performing bandpass calibration in the analog receiver, initiate the data acquisition from the digital receiver system, do some kind of pre-processing followed by storing of the entire data onto a storage device. So given the stringent requirements of a space mission, which is size, weight and power attributes, what we refer to as SWAP, so the primary motivation was to look for a single board computer which performs all these tasks at one time in real time. Choosing that kind of SPC and validating that in the laboratory environment prior to space deployment is a significant challenge.
We did lab tests for PRATUSH receiver change starting from the analog to the digital. We did about 43 runs, each lasting for 8 hours.
What we have found is that we can come down to a noise level of around 10 millikelvin and our expected signal is of around 100 millikelvin. So
we can now translate this into equivalent space-based model, and this is an important milestone for us in taking PRATUSH to the moon.